Today we will be discussing the design principle called interference effect. An interference effect is when stimulus competition occurs, causing slower mental processing and lower accuracy. The contents of this lecture include recognizing interference, the types of interference, reducing interference, and resources for more information. Section 1. Recognizing interference. How can you recognize the interference effect? Well, consider a mental task, like listening to this video. If there are no other competing sounds, your brain should be able to quickly and accurately evaluate the input, which in this case is the speaker's voice. Section 2. 4 types of interference. Stroop interference is when an irrelevant aspect of a stimulus interferes with a relevant aspect. Try saying the color of words on the screen. Do not say the word. For example, the first word purple is written in the color red, so you would say red. Garner interference. In regards to tasks of perception, interference may occur when competing stimulus are presented alongside each other. It is easy to comprehend that these are all the same. There are no competing stimuli in the image. It probably took you less than a second to recognize the smiley faces were all the same. But here, the varied skin tone and makeup compete for working memory space, causing it to take you more time to figure out that these are all the same face. Proactive interference. Proactive interference occurs when existing memories compete with learning, making it hard to receive and process new information. Maybe you have learned a grid street system. Then you travel to a new city. The knowledge of a grid system competes with your knowledge of the new concentric circle system. This means you look for aspects of the grid system in the concentric circle system. Retroactive interference. Retroactive interference occurs when you have a hard time recalling old information because of new information. Maybe you learned to ski several years ago. In recent years, you have spent more time snowboarding. When old friends invite you to ski, you find that new skill of snowboarding competes with your old knowledge of skiing, making the task more difficult. Section 3. Reducing interference. Designs can avoid mental conflict if you keep in mind a few things. Make use of the space on the page. Use varied fonts and text layouts. Distinguish headings by size and do not cram elements together. Learning can be helped when the instructors vary the modes of instruction. Give students advanced planning opportunities and incorporate periods of rest every 30 minutes. Section 4. Resources. Finally, take a look at the resources on this page if you are interested in learning more about interference effect.